Five of them are still used, except one.
ديك سيدي على سلامتكم مرحبا بكم. سلامة المشي غادي نقول لكم اشي وقع ان شاء الله واش يتصايب وداك الشيء كله هو غادي نصايبوه ان شاء الله.
All color is by order because all artisan in Marrakech.
Only that's I make it for my house or for me. This is your personal collection.
This is the second oldest city in Morocco, founded in the middle of the 11th century. It's more than 600 hectares. Of course, we have a residential area, and we have also the souks and the famous square. So, concerning a residential area, so inside each neighborhood of the Medina, we have 6 buildings. 5 of them are still used, except one. So, we're going to start with number 1. Number 1 is, of course, the mosque for the daily prayers. In a neighborhood, we can find 2, 3, up to 4 small mosques. They are used 5 times a day. Then we have the main mosque with a minaret or a tower. Of course, that one is also used 5 times a day. And Friday, because it's the holy day, at noontime we have the big Friday prayer. Small mosques are closed. People should go to the big one. Okay? Number 2, it's always near the mosque. There is a Quranic school.
Quranic school. And I can see one from here. Yes.
It's for children. It's different from the madrasa. Because sometimes some people they are confused when we say Quranic school for children, and we have Quranic school for adults. This is just for the children living in this neighborhood. 10, 12 maximum. Boys and girls now. At the age of 4 or 5, they start in the Quranic school. Then at the age of 6, they go to the regular school.
All color is by order because all artisan in Marrakech. When you buy the wool and the silk from my boss, you bring it here, then we order someday 3 color, someday 4 color, someday 1 color. And this is the color.
Oh, these are the colors.
I will give explication. For example, the yellow color is curcuma.
Kurkuma.
Like orange is orange henna.
Orange henna.
Orange henna.
Okay.
Black one is from the stone of mascara.
Mascara. Okay.
The green one is the plant of the mint.
Mint.
We dry.
I see.
We dry. Then
Right.
after we put it like powder.
Okay.
This is nila. This is for blue clear.
Blue.
And this is the blue
Indigo.
indigo color.
I see.
And also we have a red one is from the flower of coquelicot.
Coquelicot.
Wait me, I will show you something just.
Okay.
This is the expensive pigment.
Okay.
All this pigment is a little cheaper, but the expensive pigment is this one.
Okay, I see.
I'll show you. This is water.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That's incredible.
This is the blue indigo, and this is the color to work in 2 days. Today you make it same the color.
I see.
So I will give you explication inside.
Okay.
This is the cotton, and this is the silk.
Silk.
This is the silk from cactus with the agave.
Agave cactus. Oh wow.
The difficulty this material is the same temperature. But
Okay.
the wool, when you want to make the wool, we come morning time, you open the gas because you have the fire.
I see. I see.
You put the water, then we
Okay.
waiting the temperature coming in under 20 degrees.
And
Then we
it's
start,
boiling.
then it's boiling. Then we start to put the pigment. After you put the wool, then the wool stay 40 minutes inside.
14
minutes
minutes.
inside, but between 5 minutes, we need to mix it.
I see.
To
You
fix
have
it the
okay.
color. When you fix it the color, we out the wool and put it in the machine.
Okay. To get dry. So this one has okay.
This one is finishing. Okay, it's little warm.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it is. It is. It is.
Out.
Yes, yes. It stays. Okay.
After
Okay.
the machine, when you spin it,
When you spin the
you
machine.
take it out of the roof. 1 day, 2 day,
Okay.
some day, 2 day half. When you
Yeah.
dry, we pack it and we send it to factory. When you have the women working for waxes,
Yes, I see.
blanket,
Okay.
all everything by wool is typical.
Okay.
It's natural. But
Okay.
the silk and the cotton is difficult temperatures.
Okay. So we do the wool. We warm the water, 100 120 degrees,
Yeah.
and we put it for 15 minutes. Then we spin it and stir it a little bit, and after that we put it in the spinning
Yeah.
wheel in the machine, and then it gets dry and it stays really really hot afterwards. And then after that we just hang it on the outside and dry it for how many 2 days?
Some day, 2 days, some day, 1 day half.
A day and a half, because in Marrakech it's really sunny most of the time and it's hot, so it helps. So and then what happens is all this wool that is hanging now goes to the factory,
We pack
and
it and we send
you
it.
send it to the factory, and then women in the factory, they can make whatever they want to make out of it. Like you showed me,
Like carpet.
this is the final product.
Carpet, like
Different
bag-
types of okay.
bag of wool.
Oh wow, nice.
Women who work by crochet, also the blanket.
Yeah.
So this bag is all wool.
Oh wow, this is really nice.
This is all wool.
Oh,
You see?
oh
One
nice.
pieces.
So no stitches,
No,
no stitches, no
This
stitches.
one you put it when you work it by black soap.
I see. Yeah, black soap. Yes.
The market you see this.
Yes, 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 yes.
This is also black.
Okay. Okay, I see. Okay.
Like the drap.
Yep, yep, yep. Drapes.
Yeah.
This is really interesting. Yeah.
Drap. Towel. Drap.
Yes.
Towel.
See, that's the, okay.
Like
Yes, yeah, it's like.
use it in a beach.
Oh,
Use
this
it
is
in
so
the-
soft. Yes, yes, yes.
This is mixed.
This is
This
really
wool
nice.
and cotton.
Wool and the cotton. Okay, I got you.
Only cotton.
Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's a difference. Yes, yes, yes. You're right. You're right. Oh, this is really good. Look at this.
And this is
This is incredible. Let me see. Oh wow. Okay. Okay.
we have this turban. This is the blue indigo.
Oh yeah. This is.
the blue.
Oh,
We use it in the Sahara.
in the Sahara. So this is what
This
then.
is expensive pigment. I show you.
Yeah, earlier. Yeah.
This is made like turban.
Yes. Yes.
Take thief of the sand
Yeah.
and of the air.
Yes.
Because in the Sahara, all tourists will
Yes.
come early 4 o'clock morning to go in the side
Yes.
to see the sun when you up.
Yes. Yeah. The sun.
It's
The
an
sunrise.
obligation to take the turban to take.
Yeah. Of course. Of
like
course.
Tuareg.
Yes. Yes.
And
This is really nice.
yeah, very beautiful.
Ooh, really
We
good
have
quality.
pashmina. This is pashmina scarf.
Okay. So these are all scarves.
Yeah.
Oh, this is amazing.
And this is Gandora because it is like cooperative. It
Yes.
is not bazaar.
Mm.
It's not shop.
Yes. Yeah. It's corporate. Okay.
And we have other style like this. You see it?
I see.
Like cushion.
Okay. This looks kind of new to me. I've never seen. This is something kind of trendy, something new. Designs.
Yeah. Designs is new style.
Yeah. It is. Yeah. It looks. Yeah.
Or you make it all like
Yes.
before like this one.
Oh wow. Yes. Oh, this is really nice.
Now we
Yes.
really-
Hold on. Wait. We gotta show the back. So this is basically you put the pillow this way and then this way,
Yeah.
and then it gives you the complete pillow. And this is the front. The front of the pillow, which is really really nice. Now,
the women
the new
make it
style,
New style, yeah. This
is
design like
handmade.
Yeah.
Okay. Very interesting.
difficult.
Oh. So they're all different. Yes. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna try.
Always start because this is the technique from the Sahara. No, look me face
Oh.
to face. Like this one, okay. Bismillah.
I'm going on a camel ride. So-
Welcome, brother.
Thank you, thank you. So this is how you get ready, you set up before you get up on your desert adventure. Normally, a nomad would help you put this on your head. Oh, it feels nice.
Suits you. Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow.
This way.
My head feels tight, but it's pretty cool.
In the corner.
Oh, I see. So basically, this will protect me against sandstorms and against just the tiny. Oh wow! Oh my goodness!
This is when you go inside.
Inside the desert, yes.
But when you're out,
Okay.
you put it like this.
I see.
You see? Look at
Wow. Oh, I know you. He looks good.
like Abdullah.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Wow, this is
Very
impressive.
warm.
Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, of course, yes. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. This is incredible. Thank you.
Welcome.
So anything else you want to say or you want to share with the audience, please?
Yes?
What else would you like to share with the audience? Because everything that I see is pretty much kind of handmade.
Yeah, because here is the cooperative.
Cooperative,
It's not
okay.
same the shop.
Yes, I understand.
Square.
I got
That's
you.
why
I got you.
everything here is natural. Maybe in the square we find something like that, but not a real one. When you
Yes.
watch it, we true.
Oh,
Yeah, understand.
yes, I understand. Yeah.
But here we make original things.
The question that I have is how can people tell the difference between something that it's natural and it's real versus something that it's not and it's fake?
Yeah, but the people when we're coming, when we touch something, we feel it.
Oh, you do, but the tourists have no idea the
We
difference.
have some tourists that have no idea, but we have idea.
Okay,
But me, in this place,
Yes.
always, I give good explication
Yes.
to tourists.
How
because
they can
the
tell.
Yeah. How can
That's
you find
perfect.
something good? How if you want to buy something original?
Yes.
How you know?
Yeah, no.
But the shop is not same. And
Oh,
the people
definitely,
is not
yes.
same.
I know.
You have my other shop. We need all this side. You don't care.
Yes.
Don't worry for the tourists. You
Yeah.
understand? We
Yeah, I
don't
know, I
take
know.
money.
I know.
But
No.
we have some other place. When you want to sell something,
Yeah.
we like to make business with tourists. We will give him good quality.
Yes, I'm familiar with this. This is amazing. This is incredible. Anything you want to say to the audience? Any last words to the audience?
I will tell something for the people who will listen. It's better to be like that because when we listen, you can get what you want.
Yeah.
That's why I will told. And may God you will bless all. And you welcome here in Marrakech, my brother.
Thank you so much. This concludes our visit today. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Look at make it. Look scoring. Look at make it scoring. And put like this. Find key, something like this. Key. That one. Key. Yes, key. Let's finish. And push it. Two man. One piece. 1, 2, 3. And 4 in the middle. Secret box.
Oh, that's very
This one, the wood, cypress wood. Cypress. This one, I make it boxes. Some like this. This one, this for boy. This one, the snake wood.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, for this one. I make it this one, it's magic box. See, open like this. Make it 2 quantity.
I see. So you have to push.
Yeah, this
the
2.
opposite corner.
Yeah, 2 quantity.
Then you push it.
Separate box. I have small, I have big. So welcome my shop.
Thank you.
Make it your box for me. Only this I make it for my house or for me.
This is your personal collection.
Yeah, this one I make it coasters or glass.
Coasters.
Coasters.
Oh, nice. Nice.
This one piece of wood.
One piece of wood.
One piece of wood. I make it this for picture.
Okay.
Make it domino.
Picture frames.
Yeah,
Okay,
dice.
dominoes.
This one for what?
Business cards.
No, for TV control.
Oh,
For remote. Yeah. This one for jewelry box.
Nice.
Something like this.
oh wow. That's pretty neat.
You make it this one.
That's pretty neat.
You make it another one. Jewelry box. Open like this. Push it this one. This, push this, and put it this way. This one?
That's very tricky.
Yes, okay, what's this? Just want to make it this and make it small, big.
Yes.
And make it this one, this for two.
Alright.
This one piece of wood.
That's nice.
This hand Fatima. This one got black for car and for house. خمسة. عمولي. أيوة. Make it solitaire and make it chest. There is a chest pieces. And make it some like the chest.
Oh, that's a big one.
This one magic.
Ooh, nice.
Make it pieces inside. This lemon, cedar wood. Yes, you make it this one.
How much time does it take to make something like this? So basically, so it takes you 2 days
Yes,
to make this box, and it's 2 different pieces.
Yes.
Okay.
And make it some like this. Make it big pieces.
Oh, I see.
This lemon and mahogany.
Mahogany.
And make it big by Gamani chest. This one for mother pearl.
Motherfucker.
This one. This one olive.
Olive.
Olive wood. I love olive.
Really, really nice. This is good.
Thank you.
And then, of course, the saka.
What?
Saka box.
Yeah, better. This one piece of wood. This one's not heavy.
Oh, this is
Not heavy.
it's really nice.
It's like this preparation. This one mahogany. This spruce. This lemon mahogany.
Mahogany. Okay.
Make it this bergaman.
Uh-huh.
This is for bergaman. This one for sun. This one piece of wood. Olive.
Nice.
You? Take it hand this one.
Yeah, it's really
Thank you.
provided for you. A lot of options for a lot of people that are interested.
Inshallah. Inshallah. Love it. Make it fruit.
This is nice. How did you can see that?
This one piece of wood.
One piece of
One piece of wood. Make it this one. Make it deeper. Decoration. This one for smell for my house.
Yes.
For house. Smell the wood. Cedar wood. Cedar wood. Make it boxes for tissues.
I see.
This acrylics. This olive. Big, like
I see.
one piece of wood.
How much would a box like this be?
This one, two boxes, 1 day. So make it proper black and decker. This one piece of wood.
One piece of wood.
Yes. This one.
I would love to design. So, how much something like this would cost?
This one 200 here.
Equivalent to 20 bucks.
Different design. Yes. It is design, different design.
Yeah, this is incredible. So, if people want to come shop with you, how can they find you? Inshallah. Can we have your business card? Can we have your information just in case somebody wants to stop by?
This is my part.
Let me get to me.
Come on, yeah. Yeah,
This has been fun and I really, really appreciate it. And thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.
Do you dream of exploring the enchanted land of Morocco? Discover the magic with Destination Morocco, the ultimate travel experience for those seeking luxury and adventure. We specialize in crafting bespoke itineraries tailored to your unique tastes and desires. If you are a discerning traveler who values an immersive, curated adventure, then visit destinationsmorocco.com. That's destinations with an S, Morocco.com. And let us bring your dream Moroccan vacation to life.